With Edge 130, you get instant data and automatic street cred. In this video, we'll help you get acquainted with your device and even take it for its first ride. First, complete the easy setup process through Garmin Connect. It will walk you through how to get your bike computer up and running and even pair it with your phone. Now, let's take a look at the device. On the top left is the power key. Press and hold it to turn the device on and off. When your Edge is on, simply press it to activate the backlight. On the right side are two arrow keys. You'll use these to scroll through widgets, data screens, and menus. For example, press the down key to cycle through preloaded widgets. From the home screen, you can also press and hold the top arrow key to view the device menu. On the bottom right is the Start/Stop key. This starts and stops the timer when you're in an activity. It's also how you select an option while navigating the menu or acknowledge a message. Finally, on the bottom left is the Lap key. Press it to mark a new lap or return to the previous screen. When you're ready to go for a ride, take the Edge 130 outside, turn it on, and wait a few moments for it to locate satellites. The satellite bars on the top of your screen will appear solid when the device is ready. From the home screen, press the Start key. When you're ready to ride, press it again to start the timer. While you ride, the screen displays your distance, time, speed, and other data. To view additional screens, press the up or down arrow key. Edge 130 allows you to customize these screens. You can choose how many data fields are shown on one screen and what those data fields are. Watch the Downloading Data Fields with Connect IQ video for more information on this. At the end of your ride, press the Stop key. Select Save Ride. Before you save your ride, we'll ask you to confirm the type of ride you just completed. This helps us classify the terrain you've just ridden on, and we'll use it to continually improve the popularity routing capability on the Garmin Connect Course Creator. Once your ride is saved, you'll see a notification if you achieved a new PR, like farthest distance or ascent climbed. If your device is paired with your phone, the saved activity will automatically upload to Garmin Connect, so you can access the app to review your ride in more detail or share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Edge 130, check out the other videos in this series.